Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the noise watch and immediately enabling its Bluetooth advertising mode. This lets the iPhone discover the device. Next, open iPhone settings and tap Bluetooth. Keep the screen unlocked so pairing prompts appear. If you don't have the Noise app, install it from the App Store now. The app provides firmware and profiles the watch uses. Once done, place the watch near the phone and wait for the device name to appear under other devices so you can select it. You now open the Noise app and tap Add Device or Pair Watch to begin the guided flow. The app handles the secure exchange. When prompted, verify the pairing code shown on both devices and accept permissions for Bluetooth, notifications, and location if requested. These enable full functionality. Make sure to allow any firmware update. Updates often fix connectivity bugs, so keep both devices charged above 30%. Once the app confirms pairing, sync your watch settings and test a notification to confirm. You finish by confirming the watch shows as paired in iPhone Bluetooth settings and that the Noise app reports an active connection. This ensures background sync and notifications work. If the connection fails, restart the watch and iPhone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then rerun the app pairing flow. That resolves most transient issues. If nothing helps, reset the watch's network or Bluetooth settings as a last resort. This clears stale profiles and usually restores pairing capability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.